everything in hand, 1,000 ways to understand. I touched what I could reach and name, but nothing ever stayed the same. I moved to what I thought was mine, every answer, every sign, until the surface gave me less than what I couldn't access. No warning, no design, just something turning me inside. I return to what I didn't let me see. I stay here, where what I am stays with me. It wasn't light, it wasn't warm, more like the end of every form. A space I never tried to hold, too quiet, too exact, too cold. But underneath what I refused, there was nothing left